Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Welcome. In today's session, we'll explore the crucial role of AI in managing and reducing abandon percentage. As businesses strive to enhance customer experiences, AI technologies are proving essential in optimizing operational efficiency, minimizing abandon rates, and improving overall service quality. From predictive analytics and smart call routing to automation and real-time optimizations, AI is transforming how we handle customer interactions and driving better outcomes for both customers and businesses. AI plays a critical role in forecasting and workforce management, enhancing the accuracy and efficiency of staffing decisions. Predictive analytics is at the core of this. AI models analyze historical call data, seasonality, marketing campaigns, and even external events to forecast call spikes in real time. This allows for proactive decision-making, enabling contact centers to adjust to demand before it peaks. With dynamic scheduling, AI goes a step further by recommending optimal agent shifts and break patterns. This ensures that staffing levels are aligned with forecasted demand, reducing the risk of long wait times and abandoned calls during peak periods. The impact is twofold. First, it leads to a reduced abandon percentage, as staffing levels now match demand more accurately, ensuring customer calls are answered promptly. Second, cost optimization is achieved, preventing overstaffing while still maintaining service levels and a positive customer experience. AI-driven scheduling helps strike the perfect balance, ultimately improving operational efficiency and cost-effectiveness. AI also significantly enhances call routing and queue management, streamlining how customer calls are handled and improving the overall experience. Predictive routing is a key element here. By analyzing real-time data, AI directs calls to the best available agent, one who possesses the right skills to handle the inquiry and can provide the shortest possible wait time. This ensures that customers are connected to the right resource faster. In addition, virtual hold and callback AI takes customer convenience to the next level. When wait times exceed certain thresholds, AI automatically offers customers the option to receive a callback instead of staying on hold. This feature helps to alleviate frustration and improves customer satisfaction. The impact is clear. Improved customer experience is achieved as callers either wait less or receive callbacks at a time that's convenient for them. This leads to a lower abandon rate, as fewer customers choose to hang up due to long wait times. Overall, AI-driven call routing and queue management create a smoother, more efficient process for both customers and agents. AI chatbots and self-service automation are transforming how routine customer inquiries are handled, enabling faster resolutions and reducing the need for live agents. AI-powered virtual agents handle Level 1 inquiries, such as balance checks, order status, and frequently asked questions. These virtual agents are capable of providing accurate, instant responses, allowing customers to resolve simple queries without waiting for an agent. With 24/7 availability, AI chatbots offer around-the-clock support, ensuring that customers can get instant resolutions at any time of day or night. This drastically reduces incoming call volumes, as customers no longer need to wait for office hours to get their questions answered. The impact is significant. Call deflection occurs as more routine inquiries are handled by AI, leading to reduced pressure on live agents, shorter queues, and ultimately, a lower abandon percentage. Additionally, with faster response times, AI resolves routine queries instantly, allowing agents to focus on more complex issues, improving overall efficiency and customer satisfaction. AI plays a pivotal role in real-time queue optimization, ensuring that issues are addressed proactively and efficiently. Real-time queue monitoring is the first step. AI continuously tracks critical metrics like wait times, average speed of answer, ASA, and potential service level breaches. This constant monitoring enables AI to quickly detect any deviations from target performance levels. With dynamic threshold adjustments, AI can trigger live interventions. For example, it can move calls to backup teams or automatically activate chatbots to handle overflow, ensuring that wait times don't escalate beyond acceptable levels. The impact is significant. By addressing issues in real time, AI provides proactive abandonment control, tackling potential bottlenecks before customers decide to abandon their calls. Additionally, this dynamic optimization ensures higher service level compliance, keeping queues and performance on track to meet service level targets consistently. Sentiment analysis and customer behavior prediction are key AI capabilities that help optimize call handling and reduce abandon rates. Emotion detection is at the core of sentiment analysis. AI analyzes the tone of voice in IVR or chatbot interactions, identifying frustration signals such as impatience or anger. This allows for a proactive response to at-risk customers before they abandon the call. Additionally, behavior prediction uses historical data to identify callers who are likely to abandon based on factors such as past behavior, wait times, and interaction patterns. By understanding these cues, AI can predict which customers are at risk. The impact is powerful. Priority handling ensures that high-risk calls are routed to agents faster, preventing abandonment before it happens. In addition, AI offers personalized service by alerting agents about VIP or repeat callers who are more likely to leave, allowing them to provide tailored attention and improve retention. AI's role in agent assist and AHT reduction significantly boosts efficiency and enhances customer service. With AI knowledge suggestions, real-time responses and relevant knowledge base articles are recommended to agents during calls. This helps agents provide accurate information more quickly without needing to search through resources manually. Automated after-call work, ACW, is another key feature. AI automatically summarizes call notes and updates CRM systems, allowing agents to wrap up calls faster and move on to the next one. The impact is clear. Lower average handle time, AHT, means agents can handle more calls in less time, reducing queues and, in turn, the abandon percentage. Additionally, higher agent productivity is achieved as agents can focus on meaningful customer conversations instead of spending time on administrative tasks. AI enhances analytics, reporting, and root cause analysis, providing actionable insights for continuous improvement. Advanced analytics dashboards are at the forefront, with AI visualizing key performance indicators like abandon percentage, ASA, SL, and HT in real time. These correlations are displayed instantly, giving leaders a clear, data-driven view of performance. Root cause analysis is another vital capability. AI dives deeper into abandonment data, identifying whether issues stem from staffing gaps, system problems, or even the IVR design itself. This allows organizations to pinpoint the exact cause of abandonment rather than relying on assumptions. The impact is profound. Data-driven decisions replace guesswork, enabling leaders to take precise action based on real-time insights. Additionally, continuous improvement is achieved as targeted interventions, informed by these insights, help improve key metrics sustainably, ensuring long-term success. AI's impact extends beyond operational efficiency, delivering significant financial and strategic benefits. One of the most notable impacts is revenue preservation. By reducing the abandon percentage, AI ensures fewer sales calls are lost, which directly translates to higher conversion rates and greater revenue opportunities. In terms of cost savings, AI-driven automation plays a key role by reducing the workload on agents, minimizing overtime, and lowering hiring costs. This helps streamline operations and keep costs in check. Finally, AI enhances customer lifetime value, CLV. By improving the overall customer experience, AI fosters greater loyalty, which in turn reduces churn and lowers customer acquisition costs. This creates a more sustainable, profitable relationship with customers over time. AI's financial and strategic impact is far-reaching, providing substantial benefits to both the bottom line and long-term business growth. Revenue preservation is a key highlight. By lowering the abandon percentage, AI ensures that fewer sales calls are lost, directly increasing conversion rates and boosting revenue. In terms of cost savings, AI automation reduces agent workloads, minimizes overtime, and cuts hiring costs, creating significant operational efficiencies. Finally, AI has a powerful effect on customer lifetime value, CLV. By improving customer experiences, AI fosters loyalty, reducing churn and lowering customer acquisition costs, ensuring a more sustainable and profitable relationship with your customers over time. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.